It's trying to be bright, but it's definitely overcast. Merry Vlogmas day 5. I am actually surrounded by family. They're just like out of shot. There's one. There's another one.
A wild family.
Hello, Peeps.
Hello.
Should we do Dad first, because he started getting covered to sleep at your chocolate yesterday.
I did.
So we need to make sure he's happy.
Happy, yes.
And then down the corner there.
That's a very good idea.
I thought so.
Oh, we're day 5 already.
We are. Oh, I know. It won't come out. Ooh.
Oh, I've never seen anything like that before. Licorice balls.
What's it called?
Hang on. Yes. It's called Himbia.
Himbia lacquer. What we spent the last 2 minutes trying to focus on this pesky thing. Pesky.
And I've been over there drooling.
Yes. And, but yeah, they're kind of.
They're not. If you look, they've got stalks on them. They're almost like little cherries.
I think they actually maybe have melted in the heat of our kitchen. But
Oh, I don't think so. No. These have got little stalks on them.
Oh, okay.
You know,
Imagine they're quite sticky.
Oh no, I think it's got chocolate on it.
That's what I'm saying. I think it melted.
I'm speculating now. I haven't even got in the packet.
It's red licorice, so if it's nice, he might have a fight on his hands. If we can get
them out.
Oh.
It's gooey.
Smell. It's aniseed.
Oh no, that's all yours.
Careful, it's dripping.
New word of the day. Everyone's looking forward to it.
This is another flavour that I've always enjoyed since childhood. Aniseed balls. It's aniseed with licorice surrounding it. Sumptuous.
You said that yesterday.
I said sumptuous yesterday,
You did.
did I?
And delectable.
And delectable.
Yeah.
How about yumly?
Yumly. There you go. New word of the day. Yumly.
Yumly.
Like that.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. What's yours then, Mum? Oh, it's white. Although you liked the white one that you ate the other day.
It's cremino.
There you go. Yeah, I'm not
No,
even gonna.
no, it's
I'm
not
not
playing
gonna
today.
try. Silly camera's being
Charles'
silly.
camera is upset.
No.
Oh no.
That's fairly milk chocolate looking. Are you feeling any better today? I ask because you just get a mouthful of.
You like a sort of truffle?
They're all truffles.
No, but
Really truffly?
no, nothing.
Oh, okay. It smells
Nice.
good.
Nice.
Yeah, she's going to take it off and finish the rest. This
I
one.
bring my story. Tell you a story. All about how. I love got it turned upside down. Ooh, got lipstick. That's exciting.
Ooh, pretty.
on, do it for me.
It's not going to focus.
Do it for me.
So, lippy for you, and then let's see what hot tea chocolate I have got today. Where is it? Number 5. Number 5. There it is. Today
I'm still enjoying mine.
Oh, today I have amaretto hot chocolate.
Oh, yeah. Guess who's getting that?
What is wrong with my focus? There we go. Amaretto hot chocolate. Oh, yeah. Oh, battery's dying. But Susan, your faux leather has arrived, just to let you know. Can see the tree and the reflection behind me. It's looking very beautiful. All the footage you've just seen was very kindly filmed for me by the lovely Rianne. And yes, James and Dad are in the kitchen at the moment making yummy dinner. Isn't Anne supposed to have been arriving at 4?
I thought she was.
She's arriving today, right?
Yeah, Wednesday. It's Wednesday.
It is Wednesday, but does she know that?
Yeah.
Okay, so Anne is coming over for dinner, but she's a bit late. Maybe we should give her a ring. Just remind her, just in case. With Ree's coat, we have ordered the pattern, printed the pattern, stuck the pattern together, traced the pattern out, cut the pattern out, and then cut the pattern out of muslin or calico. So I just need to sew that together, and you guys are leaving at sort of
3-ish.
Well, you're on the 3. You're on the 3 ferry.
About 1/2.
So I have all morning tomorrow to get that done, and I think I'm going to do that. So
I'll be there on Wednesday between 4:30 and 5.
so Anna's not running late. We were just expecting her earlier than she said, so that's good. That's good. Big Bird is decorating the pencil Christmas tree, which lives in the kitchen stroke diner, and we have a fabulous tree topper this year. Oh yes. For my first ever fishtail braid, I don't think that's too bad. I don't think it's actually a fishtail braid either, but it kind of looks right. Mum's been in the back garden harvesting her crops, and yes, I think Dad's just said it, we'll be living on squash for the next 4 months, but also purple sprouting broccoli. Very excited. Who's your mate, Dad?
Who's my mate? Okay.
It's like another entity. I'm pointing at the squash, by the way. Who's sous chef this time round?
Me.
Oh dear.
Right. Pre-agreed, all done. I will take orders.
Yum. Never knowingly undercated.
That bad.
What am I channeling? My
In a
red-headed Heidi?
Pippi Longstocking.
Yeah, no, she has like ones like this.
She's like that, isn't she?
Yeah. They curl up. Like that? Just like that. So we've had a lovely evening. I think you've seen Anne came over. We've been playing Would I Lie to You? We lost. It was a very close run though thing though.
Clearly we're very honest.
We're very honest, yes. Very, very honest indeed. But we're back up at mine now because I have loads and loads of editing to do. We did start filming a cooking show with Baby Bother and the fabric washing fairy, but it's one of those things where they say, you know, you can't recreate the magic. Last year's was just epic, and yeah, it didn't quite work out this time. So maybe in the future, but there's going to be lots of Baby Bother goodness coming up.
They just got too excited about the cooking and
yeah.
forgot the camera was there.
They forgot to actually talk to you guys. They just got on with the cooking. So, you know, I mean, I can put up that, but it's not much fun. And it doesn't really teach you how to make the thing that they were making either. So
neither did the last one.
No, but the last one had more hilarity in it because they were talking. I think it's because I'd left them with the camera and they just stopped talking to it. So, yeah. Anyway, on that note, today's video is probably going to be quite long, so I'm going to say goodnight now, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.